Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video, let's suppose here we are drawing the figure and this is the circle and this is another circle. The circle is not perfect and this is the square. All four sides of the square are equal.
And this is
And this
the
is the
center
center
of
of
the
the circle.
circle.
The
So this
radius
is the
is
radius
5
5
meters
meters
and
and the
5
same 5
meters here
meters
for
radius for
another
this
circle.
circle as well.
So we have to find out the area of the square. Let's suppose we extend this line and extend the same. So the radius will be the same over here, 5 meters, and we are extending this line parallel to one side of the square. So 5 meters here, and this is the right angle triangle over here. So if this side is x, one side of the square is x, so this will be 5 minus x because this side is x. So let's find out the area of the square. So from the right angle triangle, we have hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So the hypotenuse is 5 meters in this case, and the perpendicular is 5 minus x, and the base we don't have, so let's suppose the base is y. So 5 square equal to 5 minus x whole square plus base, that is y square. So this is 25. So applying the formula a minus b whole square, so that will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that will be 25 minus 10x plus x square plus y square. So 25 will be cancelled. Now y square will be equal to 10x minus x square. Now taking the square roots on both sides, under root y square equal to 10x minus x square in the under root. So here we have y equal to 10x minus x square in the under root. So this is y. Now let's draw this figure again, once again the same figure. So this is the circle and this is another circle, the square, and this is the center. So 5 meters here, 5 meter radius, and 5 meter radius over here. So this is the line parallel to that, so it will be y. So this line, one side will be y and another side will be y, so this is y as well. Now here y plus x should be equal to 5 plus 5. So it will be 2y plus x equal to 5 plus 5, that is 10. So replacing the value of y, that is 10x minus x square in the under root, multiply by 2 plus x equal to 10. Now subtracting x on both the sides, so we have 2 in the under root, 10x minus x square equal to 10 minus x, because plus x minus x will be cancelled, so here we have 10 minus x. Now taking the square roots on both the sides, so we have 2 in the under root, 10x minus x square whole square equal to 10 minus x whole square. So 2 square will be 4 and square under root will be cancelled, so 10x minus x square equal to, so we will apply the formula a square minus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is 10 square 100 minus 20x plus x square. 4 into 10x, that will be 40x minus 4x square equal to 100 minus 20x plus x square. Now subtracting minus 40x plus 4x square on both the sides. The same over here, minus 40x plus 4x square. So these will be cancelled. So left hand side will be 0 equal to 100 minus 60x plus 5x square. Now dividing by 5 on both the sides. So here we have 0 equal to 20 minus 12x plus x square. Now we will apply the factorization formula. So we have the two brackets, x minus 10 into x minus 2. So one value of x will be 10, another will be x equal to 2. So the summation of the two values of y plus one value of x should be equal to 10, because above we have 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So let's find out the value of y and x to clarify that it is equal to 10. So since we know that 2y plus x equal to 10, now replacing the value of x equal to 2 in this equation, so 2y plus 2 equal to 10. Now finding out the value of y, so y will be equal to 4. So 4 plus 4, it means 2y plus 2, that is x, so that will be 2. It means the value of x is 2. Now finding out the area, x square equal to 2 square, so x will be equal to 4. So the area of the square is 4 meter square. Thanks for watching.